So the servant leadership philosophy is something that probably I will pursue further because it's helped uncover a lot of things that I possibly didn't know about me. I thought I was a good listener, but am I listening actively? Questions like that probably will help me become a better person, and I would also want to evangelize this more and help the managers in university become better people leaders.
That was intentional. Alright, so this was a very intense and very wonderful workshop. It was quite insightful because it helped me better understand myself and how I should work on in order to become an impactful leader and a better human being.
Fruitful. We spent the day, 2 days. The key takeaways, we got a new perspective of leaders. What we think was not correct. So how the leader should be, it was clearly articulated. So we try to bring in day life.
Thank you very much for the session, Madana, you and everyone. So my key takeaway is maybe I was not interacting very frequently with the team, so I lack in the MSLA putting others first. So I decided to keep more interactions with the team members and do a self-assessment on a periodic basis.
Hi, this is Madana Kumar, and I'm glad that you chose to view this video. If you would like to be part of this journey, which is transformative both at a personal level and at a professional level, do get in touch with us at Leadyne. Hope to see you soon. Thank you.